Hi and welcome back. I'd just like to do a little video today on a server build that I did some time ago. I will put a link in the description below so you can go back and have a look at that. But in that video I discussed that the cable management system was not ideal, so I said then that I was going to put something better together. So I have finally done this. It's taken a little while. I've had a few other projects that I needed to get done, but I have got it done now. Now the way I've got this set up is that I can turn the server on via the Google Home, or via a button on the side of the box, or via an app in my phone. So I can turn the server on anywhere as long as I've got internet access. So what I'll do is I'll give you a quick look inside here. So this is the unit here. We have four surface sockets here for the outlets for the server. There's a fan here to blow air in to keep it cool. Inside I have, these are the relays which control the power to the surface sockets. This is the 12-volt transformer. This is just some solid state relays to turn the transformer on and off. This is the 5-volt power supply to power the Arduino, and these are the relays that are controlled from the Arduino. Okay, so I will put this all together and put it into the server, and then when we come back we will see how it all works. Okay. Hi and welcome back. So it took me a little bit of time to get this to work because I had some issues in regards to some interference on the surrounding equipment, and I had to do a little bit of isolating. So now what I've done is I've put relays in between the external switching to the Arduino because it was getting false triggers. So anyway, so if we look down here, I've got two cameras running here, so I will swap between the two. So we'll put the unit in down here. It's all wired in. I've set up the Google Home here, and there's several different ways, as I said before, I can activate it. I can do it from an app on my phone. I can do it from a switch that I have on the side of the unit, or I can do it from the Google Home. So we'll get it going with the Google Home because that's just so much easier to do it. Hey Google, server on.
Okay.
And as we can see, the server's now turned on. It turns the power on first, because above here we have a switch which needs to boot first, and then once it's nearly booted, then it turns the server on. So we'll continue through to the server boots, but I will speed up this process. So as we can hear when the server first boots, it's very noisy. That's why I have put it in this box here. It's a sealed box with fans blowing in and fans blowing out. As I said, I've done another video on this before. That link will be in the description below. So after it started, the fans, they do quieten down a fair bit. And there, it's fully booted. We can get to the DOS prompt here and log in and do what we need to do. Okay, I'll come back in a second and I'll show you the shutdown process. Okay, so now for the shutdown process. There's several different ways we can do it. One is via the terminal, the other is via the app on my phone, or through the Google. So let's do it through the Google because it's so much easier and more fun. Hey Google, server off.
Okay.
So the server turns off, and now the Arduino will register that the server's turned off, and it will then turn the power off to the entire unit. Apart from the only power supply that's still running is the power supply running the Arduino, so it's not using a great deal of power on standby at all. And there it goes. And to show that it starts again, it's quite easy. We'll use the same process. Hey Google, server on.
Okay.
And there we go, off it goes again. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and thanks for watching. Bye.